I'm Giuliano Caglio, Head of Cloud Service and Infrastructure Team in Italgas. Italgas is a 184-years-old company that serves 1,800 municipalities with modern digital energy services. We are in the digital factory. This is the place where our ideas turn into market solutions. For example, we use IoT to monitor our network and predict possible faults. This enables our personnel to communicate with the sensor using an iPad. Azure NetApp Files was adopted because it's the most flexible storage solution in the cloud. We can quickly adapt our storage to our Oracle database workload demands. In our migration, Microsoft and NetApp helped us to address all scenarios. We ran performance testing and measurement to identify the most flexible way to adopt this solution. The first database took a month of analysis to be migrated. The second one, only 2 weeks. Benefits are remarkable. We can resize volumes very quickly without service disruption. Backing up or cloning a database takes seconds. We are also evolving our virtual app, desktop, and container platforms. They are easily integrated to benefit from Azure NetApp Files adoption. Azure NetApp Files is quickly adaptable in space and performance. Once adopted and automated, this is a game changer for us. This helps us to meet our mission, distributing gas safely, efficiently, and affordably.